Step-by-step guide on how to glute kickbacks. 1. Come down onto a mat in a quadruped position, hands and knees. 2. Align your hands directly under your shoulders, knees directly under your hips. 3. Keep your back flat, core engaged, and neck neutral, looking slightly ahead or down. Step 1. Left leg kickback. 1. Keeping the left knee bent at 90 degrees. Lift your left leg up and back toward the ceiling. 2. Squeeze your left glute at the top. Don't arch your back or twist your hips. 3. Pause briefly, then lower your left knee back to the mat with control. Step 2. Right leg kickback. 4. Now, repeat the same motion with your right leg. Lift it back and up with the knee bent. 5. Squeeze the right glute, then return it slowly to the mat. Repeat alternating. Continue alternating legs. Left, right, for desired reps or time. Example, 10 to 12 reps per leg, or 30 to 60 seconds alternating. Engage your core to avoid sagging in the lower back. Focus on glute contraction, not leg height. Keep hips square to the floor. Avoid twisting. Move slowly and with control, no swinging. Muscles worked. Gluteus Maximus, main mover. Hamstrings, assist. Core muscles, stabilize. Lower back, stabilize. Please check my next video.